everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80072EFD that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. Give that a moment. And then once that's done, you can just close out of there. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with Command Prompt. Right-click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes. And now there's going to be a couple of commands I want you guys to type in. First one's going to be ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Before you restart your computer, there's one more command I want you guys to type in. It's going to be SFC and then a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that command has finished, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.